Look what we have here at Unique Classic Cars. 1959 Plymouth Fury 2-door hardtop. 440 V8 power underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, 727. Power steering car. Let's take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. Turquoise and white in color. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, polished wheel covers, white wall radial tires, hand hooks. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these long panels, nice and straight. Bright work, looking good at the midriff of this car. Cloth and vinyl interior combination. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer here in a second. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And no, this is not quite Christine. We're 1 year off, but very similar. Definitely showing some of the same characteristics in the body style. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear of this car. Of course, the late 50s and the big fin era. You can see there's a couple holes in the trunk. We'll point that out. If you're a fan of this body style or this era of classic, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles come in daily. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. No major nicks, dings, or scratches down this driver's side. You can see there's one spot where you can see a little bit of previous work. Again, it's not bad, being pretty fussy, but like to try to point those things out for you. And you'll see a close-up of that in the still pictures too. It's not a lot. Few notes from the technician. Does have dual exhaust. Wipers work. Brakes are 60% in the front, 70% in the rear. Speaking of rear, there is air shocks in the rear and a few powertrain seeps, which is completely typical on a car that's driven. Let's take a look at the door panels. Vinyl cloth combination. You gotta love that kind of futuristic 50s design. And you can see it is a vinyl cloth combination. Center armrest. You'll see the interior from every angle in the still pictures too. Headliner looking good. Center shift automatic on the console. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. It's got a little rumble to it, folks. It's a 440. You can see fuel gauge coming up. Appears to be working. I've not had the radio work. Two aftermarket gauges underneath. Oil pressure and temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. How about that tack? Tack working. Automatic and padded dash. Sounding good. Side exiting exhaust, so let's hear from both sides here. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front on this one. How about we get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and at the very end of this video, Jason is going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So give me a second, let me get this hood open, we'll check out the engine bay, see how it drives out. Underside of the hood. And here it is. Battery from July of 24, so newer battery. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Want a car that's going to turn some heads? Here you go, 1959 Plymouth Fury, 2-door hardtop, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those snow pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving an amazing 1959 Plymouth Fury. The style, the front end, the back end. Seems to me a car just like this was famous for a movie. Except it was red. This is an automatic on the floor. Both our turn signal indicators are working. I did just manually shut the turn signal indicator off. Speedometer's working as it should. Nice mean sound of this car. A little bit throaty in the exhaust. There is a couple tiny drips falling from the sky today. Just enough to show you that the wipers do work on this car. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge giving us 75 psi. And the temperature about 140, still rising. The factory fuel gauge shows 1/4 of a tank. I just can't get over the style. The cool factor of this car is over the top. On the road, it feels good. The steering wheel is slightly, it goes slightly to the left. So a little bit of a pull to the left. The factory horn is working. The brakes are working well. We got a little bit of traffic. Nice low idle to this car. That big Chrysler V8 supplying plenty of power. Luxurious in the corners. And I also think this is an excellent color for this car. I never seen one this color. It goes so well with the chrome. Okay, okay. The road's a little damp and the back tire broke loose. But the kickdown does work on the automatic transmission. This car has some power. It is ready to go. Take a look at all the pictures of this 59 Plymouth Fury at uniqueclassiccars.com.